guys, this is Lindsay from Lindsay's Culinary Conquests, and today I have a real treat for you. I am going to be speed eating 4 of Subway's protein pockets. Now, they are for a limited time only at Subway for only $3.99 each, so it's a very good deal. So I'm going to try and speed eat as fast as I can, and wish me luck. All right, let's go ahead and open these up and we'll get started. Now there are 4 kinds here. I will put what they are in the voiceover because I'm not sure off the top of my head what they're called. They are protein pockets. I'm just not sure what the individual ones are. What the flavors are. That one looks like the peppercorn. All righty. Get this challenge started. All right. Start with the peppercorn. What looks like peppercorn. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Hey again, voiceover Lindsay here. The first pocket I tried was the peppercorn ranch chicken. This one had grilled chicken, Monterey cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and peppercorn ranch on a 9-inch wrap. This one was so good. I love the peppercorn. It very much complemented the rest of the stuff in this wrap. It was amazing. Now on to the Baja chicken. This one had grilled chicken, Monterey cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, jalapenos, and Baja chipotle sauce on a 9-inch wrap. This one was so good, but I should have had it last because it was a little bit spicy. Almost lost my appetite on the other 2 because of it. Now, this one was the Italian trio. It had pepperoni, salami, black forest ham, provolone cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, banana peppers, and roasted garlic aioli on a 9-inch wrap. This one was really good. I love the garlic aioli. It complemented it perfectly with everything else in this wrap. The last one that I had was the turkey and ham. This one had oven roasted turkey, black forest ham, provolone cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and honey mustard on a 9-inch wrap. Now, I typically don't like honey mustard on anything, but on this wrap, it was really good and complemented it perfectly. I love the savory and sweet in this particular wrap. Overall, all 4 of these wraps were really good, and I would highly recommend them to people. So go out and get you a protein pocket. You won't be disappointed. Alright, I'll let you watch the rest of the video, and thank you for watching. Voiceover Lindsay out. Oh, man. Whew. Oh, goodness. My eyes watering. Whew. Okay, let's see what time we got. 5 minutes, 11 seconds. Not too bad. Not too bad. Those were thick. There was some meat in those, so those were not as easy to get down. Woo! Alrighty, guys. So, if you want to try this, a cool deal that they have at select restaurants, they might have one in your area. Check out your local Subway for those protein pockets. They're really, really good. They have 4 different kinds. At least they did in my area. So, all right, guys. If you hold on. Where was that when I needed it? Excuse me. All right, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below anything you want me to try next. And until next time, see ya.